Hello，大家好啊！我係碌零，咁今日咧就會同大家一齊玩呢個 Minecraft 嘅 Story Mode 啦。咁我就呢個係手機版嘅 download 嘅，係啦。跟住我哋而家即刻開始啦，正在連接。咁多位，因為我近排有少少感冒啊，所以就可能把聲就冇咁好聽啦。咁就都係好唔好意思啦，係啦。跟住進行遊戲。好，因為我頭先我就，咦？即係因為頭先我就試錄咗少少，所以就可能會有一個存檔咁樣啦。咁我之前呢就試過用女仔嘅，咁我今次想試下用男仔。開始咯，繼續，快啲咯，快啲。OK，咁開始分集一。對唔住。即係呢個遊戲呢，會根據我作出嘅選擇啦，嚟發展個故事嘅咯。所以呢個係個故事。係，加最大聲。神秘嘅傳說。簡而言之就係謊言，即係大話。大話。喺浩瀚嘅宇宙裏邊有啲乜嘢呢？岩石之靈嘅傳說就永遠咁樣流傳咗落嚟，就不爭嘅事實。咩不爭嘅事實啊？其實無疑呢個係一個動亂不安嘅土地。好耐之前曾經有4位英雄曾經降臨呢片土地。Gabriel 啊 ，Enderman。Ellegaard 嘅偉大發明 Magnus 呢個賊仔 Soren 佢係嗰個領導者啊嘛。4大英雄 Gabriel。危險重重嘅征程 Ender Dragon 啊，擊敗咗 Ender Dragon。你殺咗隻 Ender Dragon 就係永恆，就變咗永恆嘅傳說。咁我哋呢啲 Minecraft player 殺咗咁多條 Ender Dragon，點解唔係永恆嘅傳說呢？一個故事結束咗，就有另外一個故事嘅開始。哇，好靚啊！有邊個做對手啊？僵屍大小的小雞咯。咁大隻雞有排我哋食㗎咯，好冇？令人討厭。咁樣講我冇搞錯嘅話，呢個會喺天黑嗰陣亮起。等 Ruben， 佢係咯 Ruben 係隻豬仔。去到邊都帶住佢，咁唔好咩？咁得意隻豬仔個頭咁大。Ruben 係我最好嘅朋友。係咯。可以一齊嚟，我好開心。窩囊廢。Who cares what they thought？ 好攰，你感到好攰？好啦好啦。噓，你聽唔聽到啊？咪係Creeper 好衰啊你！
Axel, what's the matter with you?
Great. Now I'm gonna smell like a pig. And
好型喎！
Cool mask.
it is, isn't it?
Yeah, very convincing.
睇下你嘅表情。
Did you bring the
你
fireworks?
帶咗煙花未啊
Of course I did. I even brought something for the little
？The Ender Dragon hat。
You brought Ruben a disguise?
戲服。
We're going to a convention. Somebody's gotta wear a costume.
哇，好搞笑啊！
He looks awesome.
好型啊！好搞笑。
It took me like a million hours to build it.
All right.
好啦好啦，
You definitely brought
你
the
確實帶咗
fireworks.
煙花係咪？
Waiting on you guys.
If he was really your best friend,
如果佢真係你嘅好朋友，你就唔會俾佢咁樣着。
More dangerous than putting a costume on a pig. Is trying to take it
着
off.
咗嚟之後又要去除翻落嚟，有乜咁危險呢？
Your stuff.
we'll meet you downstairs, okay?
Okay.
好啦。媽咪而家做咩呢？我攞嘢啊嘛？呢個咩嚟㗎？個箱
Shears definitely taking these. Never know when I might need
剪
to
羊
shear
毛
some。sheep.
喂，點解你自己連你屋企有乜嘢都唔知嘅？咁蠢嘅喂
Be a
，Ruben。
dragon roar, Ruben. Ruben. That'll do.
嗰邊有乜嘢呢？咁？A chest，好似冇嘢㗎呢個。唔係，
Steel? Shabby?
有個大火石。呢個咧 Gabriel。
Gabriel, the warrior. You think we'll ever get that famous? It's not impossible. Maybe
都唔係冇可能嘅。
sweet poster.
呢個呢？
One of these days, we're gonna win the EnderCon building competition. And when we do, people will look at us and say, hey, there goes Jesse and Ruben.
Jesse 同埋 Ruben。
Building competition. We really should change the name.
點解佢都叫 Jessie 嘅？Jessie 唔係個女仔咩？
Don't have any armor to put on. Maybe someday.
你冇盔甲㗎？呢邊有冇嘢㗎？冇，咁好啦，落去啦。誒，落去啦，落去啦，男仔班嘅 Jessie。
That's everything.
Let's roll.
我哋行啦。好嘢，伙計，走咯。
Heard a pretty juicy rumor about the building competition, but you guys
保
have
證唔可以亂講
to。say anything.
Okay.
哦，
Also, it's in two parts. Each part more exciting than the last.
Spit it out, Axel.
Part one, the special guest at this year's EnderCon.
Gabriel 嘅本尊。
The warrior
Oh.
himself.
Whoa, what's part two?
第二部分係咩呢？
Two, according to my sources, the winner of the building
我可以同佢會面，咁有乜嘢咁好呢？ Gabriel 啫嘛。
But if we win,
嗯，
this would make up for all the losing.
希望可以見到第二啲成員啦。
Does nothing please
呢一啲都唔興奮咩？
all the members of the super secret, super legendary Order of the Stone?
I wasn't saying it
我唔
wasn't.
係說我唔型啊，但係我覺得呢度都會可能好型咯。
So.
咁講你嗰個線人係靠
Make posters
海
for a
報
living?
生活，
Yeah,
叫乜嘢啊？
sort
我睇唔到。
doesn't exist.
你哋係我唯一嘅朋友，
Guys, let's stay focused.
我哋要贏呢場比賽啊！
We never
我
win.
從未贏過咯，而且今年我哋仲帶住 Ruben。
We basically have no chance.
所有嘢都有可能㗎。
Olivia.
Then why have we lost 9 of these in a row?
咁點解我哋連輸9次啊？
The odds are
每次都會刷
fresh
新
each time.
啊！
Maybe no one else will show up.
可能哋根本就冇人出現，呢個真係幾現實嘅。等，我哋嘅思路全部錯晒啦。
Point of the building
建築大賽嘅
isn't
意義，
just to build something.
而係捉住評判嘅
To get noticed
注意
by
力
the。judges.
哎呀，咁我哋要點做啊？
Don't just build something functional.
我哋唔可以淨係整一個有光
After we
嘅
finish
嘢
the，fireworks machine like we planned, then we build something cool on top.
比較型嘅嘢。
You might be onto something.
你嘅思路係幾啱嘅。
Action out of the judges, you build something scary.
彭姐係咪 Creeper？
Wouldn't an Enderman be better?
我想要 Enderman 咯。
An Enderman than creepers.
係咯，我幾驚 Enderman，我覺得 Enderman 好
Both pretty
好型
scary.。
唔係喎，彭姐係 zombie 喎。
Olivia's thing?
Are you whining?
No.
冇啊，我就係話太好啦。
I think this is the first time we've decided on something before getting to the competition. Think we got everything we need?
Hurt to grab a little
做攞多啲都冇咩嘢啫，咁就做攞啲咯。
so
我哋準備，今次絕對唔可以輸，絕對唔可以嚟啦！
bring it in. Dare to prepare on 3.
勇於準備，唔係唔係，咁於準備都唔啱。
Daring knowledge.
團隊1、2、3
Team on 3. 1, 2, 3.
team，耶！走咯走咯走咯！啊！一直撳啊！唔得喎！我今次得唔得呢？得。呢個呢？哦，唔得啊！啊！我再撳，我再撳，我再撳。你咁喺度做乜呢？ sit up， 算唔係 sit up 同我哋攞材料有乜關係呢？我想知。剪剪剪剪剪剪剪剪剪剪剪剪剪，打打打打打打打打打打打打打打打打打打打打打打打打，咦！耶，搞掂！耶！好啦，咁多位，今次嘅 Story Mode 呢，就暫時玩到呢度先。咁如果你哋想睇埋落去，即係玩埋落去嘅話，咁你哋就記得 like、subscribe 仲有 share 啦。咁就都係記住要睇埋我下一集嘅Minecraft Story Mode 啦。咁就今集就係咁多先啦。就喺下一個 video 再見大家啦，拜拜。